Hi, my name is Rob Dornberger, and this is my final project for CSCIE 34 User Experience Engineering. I'm the CIO for a small grocery chain in Reno, Nevada. I had to laugh when I read the professor's book and he told the story about the CIO that worked for a regional grocery chain. I am that old guy, except I have kept up with cloud computing by taking classes at the Harvard Extension School. For my application, I decided to work on a system that I wanted to automate for quite some time. This process, called our price projection, is critical to maintaining the correct profit margin for items in our stores when the cost of an item changes. The process we use currently has been around for many years. Our cost for an item changes every week, so we need a system to look at those items and recommend a new retail price so we make sure we are still making a little money when we sell something. We are a full-service grocery store chain, so we have over 60,000 items in our database that we sell in our stores. This is what the price projection report looks like today. The report has so much information and is ugly, I can't believe that they don't complain about the process more. But this isn't about me, it's about my users, Bob and Laura. This is Bob. Bob always has a smile on his face. If you get Bob to talk about fishing, you might be there for a while. And this is Laura. Laura likes order. She needs everything to be in its place. When Laura is stressed, you need to just leave her alone for a while. I'm now going to go through the prototype with you using my persona of Laura. Laura, I made some sketches of the new system for you and I would like you to look at them and tell me what you think. I can see what you're trying to do, but that screen with the item information kind of makes me sick to my stomach. Can you redo it? Just remember, I need to still have all that information on the screen. Okay, Laura, I'll think about it and get back to you with something new. Laura, I've created a new prototype. Would you like to see it? I'm tied up for the next 3 months, so I don't think I'll have time. What if I take you to lunch at that new Chinese restaurant? I'll throw in some free passes to the car wash. Okay, you can have 15 minutes on Thursday at 4, but I can't stay a minute longer because I need to get my kids from daycare. Laura, I'm here and I have an iPad for you to test the price projection prototype. All right. Just give me a few minutes to finish what I'm working on. Laura, here's the iPad. I like this iPad. It's bigger than the one I have now. You need to get me one of these. Okay, I'll get you one. Make sure it's the rose color. I like that color a lot. Let's get started. We don't have much time. Okay, I'll log onto the system using my Windows profile and password. That seems easy and I can save them for the next time if I check the box. Why do I need to log on to the system at all? This information isn't anything you need to secure. If I have your user profile, I can tailor information specific to you like buyer numbers and warehouse. I'll also be able to tell you the total number of items that were changed. Okay, that makes sense. It's not that hard to log on anyway. Okay, I want you to create a new projection. Okay, I'll just click on the new projection button and press it. Okay, this screen looks like the way I split my report into sections now. I'll select buyer for warehouse 25 and deals going on. Press create projection. Okay, I see my items with the item number, pack size, and description. I see you changed the wording to reviewed on the total. That makes more sense than what you had on the first sketch. I see. I just press on an item description. That should work. It seems like where I press is big enough. I think Bob with those thick fingers could even use it. I'll select almond milk item 285. Wow, that looks better the way you're displaying the information. I see you highlighted the item I selected. That's good because I need to know where I'm at. Let me try to use the all suggested. Okay, I see when I click on the box it puts all the suggested prices in for the new price. That'll save me a lot of time. Since I changed the prices, the save changes showed up, so let me go ahead and save it. Okay, let's go back and see how to change projection and submit the projections. Okay, I'll press change projection. Oh, I see. This screen shows the projections that I've been working on, and I can go back to the one I didn't finish. That's easy to see because I just press on the one that still has items to review. Now I'm back where I was before, and I can just click on the box at the top to show items that still need to be reviewed. Okay, so let's go ahead and finish and submit my projection. So I'll just press Submit Projections. Okay, there's the projections I finished. They look good, and I don't have any items left to review. I see that I press the Submit Projections, and it asks me this is okay. I'll press OK. Now I see the screen that shows that my projections have been submitted. That was easy. I really could have used this last year when I needed to work at home on maternity leave. Okay, to wrap things up, be patient. You may have to redo your work many times to get something good. It's hard when you come from the development side and want to start programming. Going through the user test takes practice. I think it's harder when you work with internal users that you are used to helping. I used the Just in Mind app for my final prototype. One of the advantages of using Just in Mind is you can import from a database. Just in Mind also has an app to run your prototype on the iPad. Thanks. I've enjoyed the class.